As I mentioned, HBCUs do have a long tradition of training public health professionals, and Morehouse is part of a consortium of schools, including Spelman College, who you'll hear from my colleague in a little bit, Clark Atlanta University, which used to be Clark College and Atlanta University, and Morehouse School of Medicine. Clark Atlanta University, or Atlanta University at the time, one of the preeminent faculty members was W.E.B. Du Bois, who did his Atlanta University studies while he was on faculty there for his first 13 years there. And as we know, those studies have been seminal. We've recently seen a book of his infographics published. And so it's so interesting that he talked about the race color line issue being a problem of the 20th century. And again, those words still ring true. So again, I think that many of our students in the Atlanta University Center at HBCUs, at most colleges, are starting to understand or have a history of understanding the interconnected forces that produce the social conditions that lead to health inequities. And so I think about COVID, and I think about all of those public health professionals that were asking for the race data when the epidemic first hit. And at that time, we thought that it was affecting everyone, but for most of us who have been studying these issues for a long time, we knew that the same health inequities that we saw in other diseases, other health conditions, would most likely be the same in COVID, and unfortunately that is true.